अभिवंदन, मैं हूं वात्सल्य अथर्व। बैटमैन or Joker? Who are you? Yes, all of you will say Batman, Batman, Batman. But my friend, it takes more than a will to be a superhero. We all know Ben Parker famously said that.
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
So what is that responsibility? What is that separate a superhero from a supervillain? In this case, let's study. Let's study Batman and Joker. You will say, yes, Batman is a good guy, Joker is a bad. Believe me, if it's that simple, I will not be sitting and making a video about it. There's really deep and important factors and theories to understand by the clash of these two childhood icons of ours. So come with me. Come with me in a journey to Dark Knight, one of the great superhero movies of all time.
He missed! You can't stop here. We're like sitting ducks.
Come on, I want you to do it. I want you to do it. Come on. Come on, I want you to do it. I want you to do it. Come on, hit me. Come on, hit me. Come on, hit me. Hit me.
What's the main takeover of the scene? That Batman didn't kill Joker, a superhero. Batman, who have the opportunity to end all the chaos occurred due to the grace of this evil supervillain Joker, have refused to do it, have refused to kill Joker. Why? Before knowing that, let's come to a common factor, a basic common factor between Batman and Joker. Batman and Joker have similarities. Yes, they don't want anything. Yes, Joker don't want anything. He doesn't want money, he doesn't want fame, he doesn't want anything.
Well, because he thought it was good sport, because some men aren't looking for anything logical like money.
And same is the Batman. Bruce Wayne is happy to be called a spoiled brat, and Joker is happy to be called a supervillain. So if the basic instinct of both these characters are same, what is the basic difference? Rules. Batman have rules, have words, have trust. Batman have a rule that Batman doesn't kill, and he will not, even if it costs his life. He will not kill. Even the enemy of Batman will trust him. But Joker have no rules.
The rest of the guys.
He will kill his co-workers also. No one can trust him. What do you think freedom is? What is freedom? Freedom is not what you want to do. Freedom is what you choose to do, what you believe in doing. Joker is the slave of his thoughts and desires and actions. He does what he wants to do, but Batman is not. He's free from his desires and thoughts and actions. He does what he chooses to do, what he believes in doing. That makes Batman a superhero and Joker a supervillain. So who are you again? Batman or Joker? This whole idea is not mine. It's been taught by one of the greatest spiritual masters of all time, Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, on his book Kindle Life, Chapter 1, Freedom and Licentiousness. I'm just modifying it for your convenience. If you like the idea of knowing the secrets of life through movies, then subscribe the channel, hit the like and follow me. Vyomanand.